When we hear the word genius, people like Einstein and Shakespeare come to our mind because most of us tend to equate the word genius with the one particular measurement of intelligence, that is IQ. While I was reading this book, Limitless by Jim Quick, I came to know there are more forms of genius and you can be one of them as well. First one is dynamo genius. Those who express their genius through creative ideas and inventions are called dynamo genius. This is the type of genius which comes to our mind whenever we think of commonly known geniuses. All the creative thinkers and inventors come in this form of genius. Second one is blaze genius. Those who can seamlessly interact with others and have an ability to connect with their minds, souls, and hearts with their narratives are come under blaze genius. They tend to be extraordinary communicators. Third one is tempo genius. This kind of geniuses tend to see bigger picture of something even in adversities. They see long views in ways that most people cannot. Fourth one is still genius. They have eyes of eagles. They usually dig deeper into details and get ideas out of them that others missed or couldn't envision. One can be either of them or a combination of two or more forms of genius. Comment down which forms of genius are you.